AI has had a profound impact on the world of social media, revolutionizing the way we interact, share information, and engage with online communities. With the vast amounts of data generated on social media platforms, AI algorithms play a crucial role in analyzing and making sense of this data to enhance user experiences and drive platform growth. One significant application of AI in social media is content curation and recommendation systems. These systems utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze user preferences, behavior patterns, and interests. By understanding individual users' content consumption habits, AI algorithms can curate personalized content feeds, presenting users with relevant and engaging posts, articles, videos, and advertisements. This personalized approach not only keeps users engaged but also helps platforms deliver targeted advertising, making social media a more effective marketing tool. Another area where AI shines in social media is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis algorithms can understand and analyze the emotions expressed in user-generated content, such as posts, comments, and reviews. By gauging the sentiment of users, platforms can gain insights into public opinion, track trends, and even identify potential issues or crises. Sentiment analysis also enables social media platforms to provide personalized responses and customer support, ensuring timely and appropriate interactions with users. AI-powered chatbots have become increasingly prevalent in social media platforms, improving customer support and engagement. These intelligent virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries, answer frequently asked questions, and assist users in navigating the platform. By leveraging natural language processing and machine learning, chatbots can understand user queries and provide relevant and accurate responses, enhancing the overall user experience and reducing the burden on human support teams. Content moderation is another critical area where AI algorithms play a vital role in social media platforms. With the enormous volume of user-generated content being shared daily, AI-powered content moderation systems help identify and remove inappropriate, harmful, or spammy content. These systems leverage computer vision techniques to detect and flag images and videos that violate community guidelines. By automating content moderation, platforms can ensure a safer and more welcoming environment for users. AI also enables advanced features in social media, such as automatic tagging and object recognition in visual content. AI algorithms can analyze and label images and videos, automatically identifying objects, scenes, and even faces. This enhances searchability and improves the user experience by making it easier to find relevant content. In conclusion, AI has transformed social media by providing powerful tools and algorithms to analyze data, curate content, improve user experiences, and enable personalized interactions. From content curation and sentiment analysis to chatbots and content moderation, AI has become an integral part of social media platforms. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in shaping the future of social media. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights on AI in various domains.